What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy ways that you can start investing today. Now the reason for this video is because I've had a lot of people come up to me and ask me, hey Trail, man, you've been in the stock market, you've been trading and doing things like that. I'm thinking about moving my money over from my 401k. And I'm like, no way. And the problem is, all these people out there are showing how much money they've made off of trading stocks and investing, but they don't show you the other part as far as the opposite, which is how much they've lost or how the trading has gone when they first got started. So I definitely want to talk to you guys about what you should be doing when you want to think about investing or trading stocks or getting into the game, and what you need to do first, because you definitely don't want to jump out there and get your face ripped off by getting into something that you think that's going to go up and it ends up tanking on you and you lose all of your investment. So that's going to be our topic of today. Let's jump right into it. What's up guys, thank you for sticking around, and before we get started, if you have not already, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I would appreciate it. Okay, so definitely we want to talk about why you should think about jumping into the investing game or trading stocks or things of that nature. You don't want to go out there and take your life savings and put it into the stock market because everyone else is making a ton of money. You don't know the strategy that they're using, and you don't know when they got into the game and when they started investing, and you don't know, or you have not performed the research that they have performed. So you don't want to go out there and mimic someone else, because it will basically be the opposite for you, because you are a newbie or just now getting into the game. So what I would advise for you is to first off do your research. That is number one. And then secondly, you want to start off slow, or perhaps what we call paper trading, and that's where you're using paper currency to actually perform trades in and out or investing in the long term. So I want to talk to you about 3 easy apps that can help you on getting started with investing. Okay. The number one app we want to talk about today is called Robinhood. Now, Robinhood hit the scene around 2013, and basically they came out and they offered a brokerage account in which they were charging you 0 fees as far as placing trades and selling trades. And what that is whenever you buy a stock, it's called placing a trade to buy that stock, and then whenever you sell it, the same as well. So they came out and undercut all of the long-term brokerage accounts that charge anywhere between $6 to $12 per each trade. They came out and said, you know what? We're offering 0 commissions on your trade. So they actually had a sign up in which you had to get in line, and that number skyrocketed. Everybody was trying to sign up so they can be a part of Robinhood, and it's been around, since then. It's a great platform that offers you free commission trades. So if you buy a stock that costs $100, it will cost you $100. When you sell that stock for $105, you will make $5 profit. They charge 0 fees. Now you might be wondering, how do they make money? Well, they actually make money on large accounts in which they can invest that money that people deposit, and they make money off of that. So that's how they make money. But for beginners, this is definitely if not the number one app that you should definitely have. But with this app, when you sign up, and I'm going to put a link down below, but if you sign up using my link, which is an affiliate link, you will receive your first stock for free. Now what they're doing is they're offering you, everyone that is referred to sign up with them, you will receive a random stock between $3 and $150. You will receive that free for signing up. And that is actually before you even deposit any money into the account. So I wanted to talk to you because this is the best way to get started with owning your first stock. You actually own a piece of a company, whatever company it is. So if definitely you click on the link down below and you sign up, go ahead and come back to this video and comment down below and let me know what actual stock that you received for free. Now, the number 2 app that I want to talk to you is called Webull. Yes, weird name, but hey, don't worry. But this actual app came out recently, maybe about 2 to 3 years ago. I'm not sure when, but they have a great platform for actually performing analysis. This is actually one of the tools that I use in my pocket when I am away from home, that I use to kind of look at the different strategies in which I want to enter a trade and which I want to actually get out of a trade. So they have a great platform for using, but this company also offers you zero commissions on your trades. So it's definitely a great app to use. And also, if you use my referral link for the Webull, also offering you a free stock as well. Now, their stocks, they're listed as anywhere between $4 to $100. So you can potentially receive a $4 stock for free or a $100 stock for free. This is free money, guys. You know the slogan. If you're definitely interested, and even if you don't want to use my affiliate link, just go to Webull.com and you can sign up as well. And also, an additional feature that Webull offers you is that their platform has paper trading. And that's what I had talked about earlier, where they give you a set amount of money, such as $100,000, that you could actually play with. Now, this is paper money, so whatever you win or whatever you lose, it's all paper, just like Monopoly. And something I almost forgot to mention about Webull, that in order to receive the free stock that's between $4 and $1,000, you need to deposit $100 as your initial investment. Now wait, I know what you're saying. I was bringing these to you and they were supposed to be free, but you only have to deposit the $100. So after you deposit the $100 and let's say wait a week, and after you receive your free share, then you can go ahead and remove your $100 and put it back into your bank account. It is still free money, but you have to put up $100 up front to let them know that you are serious and you can receive the free share. The third app that we want to talk about is an app called Acorns. Now, Acorns is a little bit different from the other two. They're offering you a free $5 when you sign up. So yes, if you use my referral link, you're going to receive a free $5. Now, what Acorns is a way to automate your personal investing. They got these things that are called robo-advisors, and basically it's the computer algorithm that are determining what stocks that to get you into depending on what category you select. Such as if you're aggressive, you select that one, or if you want to be moderate, you can select that one. And these robo-advisors, they determine on what to use your money to go into trades and stocks and to come out of them. So it's kind of like an automation that goes on. So for those of you that want to participate in investing, but you really don't know where to start or don't know what you're doing, I definitely encourage you to use these different systems that have these robo-advisors to pick and choose how to invest your money. So you can potentially invest $100 and then watch it for 6 months. That is definitely a way to get involved, get into the game and see how it works, see how the market fluctuates. Right now, the market is at its peak. We are making new highs every day at this current time in July of 2019. So it's definitely not a place to buy a lot of stuff long term, but I still think that our market is going to continue to go a little bit higher, at least for the next 6 months.
But that's just my opinion.
It's definitely a way that you could invest for long term. And they also have some other features that are called like Roundup, in which you can select one of your credit cards or your debit card, and let's say you use $1.50 on a purchase. Well, the Roundup feature will take the additional 50 cents and round up to $2, and they'll take that 50 cents and invest it in you. So every time you use your card, they will invest the difference up to the whole dollar into your investment account. So that's definitely a way to put money into the account without really seeing it. So the more purchases you make, probably the more money that you're going to be investing in Acorns, but it's minimum money. It's, 20 cents here, 40 cents here, 10 cents here. So it's definitely a way to get money into your investment account and continue to grow that over a certain amount of time. But one thing I definitely want to be clear is, if you think you can jump into this game and just make a ton of money up front and get out, This is not a short-term game. Investing is not a short-term. You need to be in it for the long haul. Everyone knows Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett never buys something and then sell it the following month. Usually when Warren Buffett buys something, it usually drops the next month, but he's in it for the long term, and that's usually where he makes all of his money. If you're looking to make quick money, then I don't advise this, but that's where you get into the day trading, and it's a totally different ball game, but we're not going to talk about that here. We want to talk about and stay focused on the 3 apps that I've given you already, which is the Robinhood, Webull, and Acorns. I encourage you to sign up for each one of them because you're going to receive 2 free shares. 2 free shares, guys. This is free money. Okay, so sign up for all 3. You can receive 2 free shares as well as the free $5 in Acorns. As always, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll be sure to respond back to each and every one of you. And also, if you sign up for all 3 and you receive a free stock, be sure to comment down below on this video and let me know what actual stock that you received. As always, if you like the content in this video, please click on the like button down below as it helps out with the growth of this channel. In addition, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below as well as the bell next to it so you can be notified every time I upload new content. As always, I appreciate you guys sticking around and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.